You're right guys, I'm just at Malvern train station at the moment. I'm going to be jumping in the taxi and heading on down to Peter Sefton's open day. It's at his furniture school, so it should be a great day. Can't wait to catch up with everybody. But most importantly, I'm actually going to be seeing the yin and yang table that I was working on at the Woodworkers Workshop booth at Maker Central. Now please check the link down in the description, because there's an eBay link, because I'm doing a charity auction where it's going to be auctioned off and all the money is going to be given to Birmingham Children's Hospital. That's a cause very close to mine and Peter's heart. So everybody, if you can't bid, please share it round, and if you can bid, place a bid on. Let's raise a load of awareness and hopefully a lot of money for the charity as well. So let's jump in a taxi and get on over to the open day. As you can see, what a beautiful setting for a furniture school. Inside there was some great demos going on, and it was brilliant to see the top quality tools and machinery the students use throughout their courses here. I'll put a link in the description to the Peter Sefton Furniture School, make sure you check it out. There's the table just behind me that I worked on at Maker Central. Now the majority of it was done by Peter himself. He planed up all the wood before Maker Central. I did literally like the joinery, the finger joints on the pantarotor, and then Peter sorted out putting it all together and getting that stunning finish applied. So like I say, in the description guys, please go and check out the eBay auction and get it shared around as well. It's for a great cause, Birmingham Children's Hospital. More awareness we can raise and the more money too, it really helps them out there. So please do check it out and share it round. Let's get on to the rest of the open day. Seeing some of the offerings from Woodworkers Workshop was fantastic too. There was all sorts out on display and always someone there to answer any questions. There's a link in the description to Woodworkers Workshop too. The Facebook group Wood Club UK were here in force. They're a great bunch and always bring the family atmosphere. I'll leave a link to the group in the description, definitely worth checking out. The standout moment of the open day for me was seeing this year's students' work. They were all truly phenomenal pieces.
Thank you so much everybody that's come today. The students have worked obviously incredibly hard this last 9 months. Some of them have done woodworking before, some of them really were coming pretty fresh into woodworking, so what they've made is really quite amazing. And every year again there's very, very different and new ideas that come up, so we're very pleased again with the quality that has been produced by all of the guys. It's been amazing. We have the diploma certificates. First one is to John, that's made the lovely table here. Well done, John. Great distinctions all the way through. Well done, John. Really, very, very done. Extremely well. Fern. Yes. Fern's attention to detail has been amazing on the pieces he's been doing. Extremely good.
Over the top.
Yeah, there we go. We like O2 tears. Good. Thank you. And to Jeremy. Jeremy made a fantastic table at the front here. And again, attention to detail is just spotless. Even flyless now, isn't it? After lots of cutting back yesterday afternoon.
Eventually.
Those bits just keep landing at this time of year.
Took it to the wire.
Extremely good, thank you. And Tia. Her biggest achievement was staying with us, all these old fellas. Different generation, completely done extremely well, staying with us, but well done. Andrew, so Andrew's made the fantastic bed. Please, thank you. And Charles. Well done. So Charles made the beautiful sycamore and pear side table, which is very nice. Yeah, very, very good. And Mark over the back there. Mark made a fantastic piece in the middle that's challenged us all.
I laid it.
You laid it.
I laid it.
It would have been easier possibly to lay it than to make it.
Would have made me eyes water, but I would have laid it. Thank you.
Well done, fantastic, very good.
Organisations like Peter Sefton School are so important to the future of the furniture industry, enabling young people and those not so young who want to make a career or change a career with the opportunity to learn about design and make of furniture.
Our courses are good, but we can only get to a small number of people, which is nice for us as a small group, but we're trying to also spread what we teach further afield. So there is DVDs and other ways of learning as well, and YouTube and all sorts of things are out there now, which are an amazing resource for us all. So thank you very much, guys. Also, thank you very much to Claudia and Nancy, who's run off somewhere, and Sarah again for helping me to push the dream that I came up with. Dream a few years ago when I decided to come out of further education and do this own thing, and it's been hard work, but it's very, very enjoyable. And again, the more you put into it, the more you get out. So thank you very much, guys, for the long days and the long weekends and all the rest of it that get involved with being self-employed. But and if you guys are going to go forward and be self-employed, you just got to ride the tiger. Is what you've got to do. We always say, you know, which is, but it's very, very enjoyable when you've actually done that. So thank you very much for all of that. But thank you very much. We hope to see you again next year if you can possibly make it.
I just want to say a massive thank you to Peter and his family for hosting the open day. It was a brilliant day and I can't wait for next year.